Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can install SideStore on iOS 27, and this method will also fix the UDID error you might be getting when you try to install SideStore plus LiveContainer or SideStore alone using iLoader. This error I have seen sometimes also occurs when you try to install it using Impactor. Most of the time it works with Impactor, but sometimes you still see that error. Before you begin, make sure that your device have a passcode. Alright, so if you didn't, please set a passcode now. And secondly, you must install this app. You can see it here on your home screen. To install it, you can simply head to the App Store. You can then simply search for this app and install it on your device. The method shown in this video is completely free. It is for educational and informational purposes. Please use it responsibly. A jailbreak is not required to install SideStore. Now let's move to the computer and complete the process.
Now simply get on your computer and then go to the official GitHub page for SideStore. As you can see right here, it is also completely free. Simply get in here and then from under releases get the latest release. So you will get this IPA file. Simply get this IPA file to your computer. As you can see, I already got the IPA file to my PC. Now to install it, you will need Impactor. You can get Impactor from its official GitHub page. It is also completely free. You can simply get it from its latest release. Simply scroll down and you will get this file, Impactor Windows x86 64. Alright, simply get this file first. Before you install it, make sure you have iTunes installed on your Windows PC. You can get iTunes easily from the official Apple's website. Get it from here, install it, and restart your computer once so it detects your devices. Once done, now you can install Impactor like any other app. Once it is installed, you're good to go. Simply connect your device via USB and make sure it is unlocked, and then fire up Impactor. Impactor will find your device here and list it here. And if you are using Impactor for the first time, you will also have to head to settings and then hit add account to add your Apple ID here. Any Apple ID will work. Simply add your Apple ID and then hit the back button. Now you can drag and drop the SideStore IPA file onto Impactor and then hit install. Then wait for the process to finish. Once the process is complete, you will see finished here and you will see SideStore on your device at the home screen. Now hit back.
Now as you can see, I have the SideStore app on my device. Open it. You will first have to head to settings, then go to general, then go to device management and trust this app from here, and go one step back and then go to privacy and security, and from there you will see developer mode. It will be off. Simply turn it on and restart the device. You will only see developer mode once you have installed an app. After the restart, you will see the screen. Hit on enable, type in your passcode when you get in. Now before you can open SideStore, we will have to place a pairing file for SideStore to work. We will head to the computer again and complete the process.
Get back to your computer. Your device is already connected. Now on Impactor, go to utilities. At this point, unlock your device and then hit trust device. On your device, hit on trust and then type in your passcode. Now hit refresh installed apps and SideStore should show up here. And then turn on this toggle, use remote pairing. Alright, this is very important to do. Then hit install pairing. You will see pairing file installed successfully. This method works and it will fix your UDID error which you were getting with iLoader. But sometimes, in my case, it happened that one or two times this did not work. So I am including an alternative method which always works. That is using iDevice Pair. You can get iDevice Pair from its official GitHub page. It is also completely free. You can get it from under releases and get this Windows file, iDevice Pair Windows. Alright, simply get it to your PC, keep your device connected and unlocked, right click, run it as administrator. iDevice Pair should open and it will display your device information, your iOS version, and so on. Make sure these three are enabled. Now make sure you select RP pairing from here, then hit generate. On your device, hit on trust, type in your passcode, and you'll see some text here. Alright, simply click on it, Control A, then Control C, then minimize iDevice pair. Simply create a text file anywhere, right click, new, text document, open it, and then paste all the text by Control V. Then simply save it, then close it, then hit on view and make sure file name extensions is selected. Alright, right click, then rename it to pairing dot mobile device pairing, and then delete the txt extension. Press enter. Yes. Once iTunes is open, select your device and then hit file sharing. You will see SideStore here. Then hit on add file. Then simply add this mobile device pairing file we created. Select it and then hit open. File is now copied. Now we will move to our device to complete the rest of the process.
Now that everything is ready, simply open this app, connect, follow the instructions, and it will connect. We are using this so that we can make the device connect to itself so that we can use SideStore. Alright, now you can open SideStore. Hit on OK, then go to browse. On my iPhone, you will see this SideStore folder. Open it, then select the mobile device pairing file from here. Alright, now go to my apps. Let's refresh. Now type your Apple ID here. Use the same Apple ID you used to install SideStore. Alright, see, it worked. Alright, you can see the apps are now refreshing just fine. No UDID issues whatsoever. Now let's try to install an IPA. So I will select it. We have LiveContainer IPA here. Alright, select it. We will wait for this to install. Alright, you can see it worked fine. You see it here. Alright, now to use LiveContainer, you will have to head to settings, then import certificate from SideStore. Alright, hit on export, and from there you can simply add and install your IPA files or your apps, and it should run. If you want to be sure, you can do this diagnose. Alright, you can test the jitless mode and you can see the test has passed, so which means LiveContainer will work without issues. Talking about getting a LiveContainer, you can get LiveContainer from its official GitHub page. Again, it is completely free. You can go up here and then from there you can simply get the IPA from under releases and then install it via SideStore and use it. Just to show you that yes, LiveContainer works, I'm adding this part to this video. So if I hit the plus button, add IPA, and for example I will install this app. Alright, and then hit run. You can see it opens fine, no issues whatsoever. Right now LiveContainer is working with the nightly build, but soon this fix will be added into the stable build. Now somehow if you ever face login issue or signing in issue with SideStore, what you can do is you can try to go to settings, then scroll all the way down. You'll find this NST servers, and from there if one server is not working, you can select this one. This mostly works. When you select it, you can go back to my apps and try to refresh, and it will work for you. Your login or signing in issues with SideStore will most likely be fixed. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. And I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.